Michael, who was that boy you were talking to at the restaurant?
Marcus. He's my brother.
When was the last time you saw him?
I was little, maybe.